Don't we just love having someone loving us? A boyfriend, a girlfriend, a husband, a wife, our own children, our parents, our friends, loved by our colleagues, our bosses. Don't we just wish the whole world loves us and that will make us the happiest person in the world? But unfortunately, that doesn't really happen, isn't it? So we depend so much of our happiness from receiving love from someone else, somewhere else. But usually we end up so disappointed because either we receive none, we receive too little, or we receive something that is not quite what we expected. So today, let's learn to love ourselves first and rediscover how self-love can bring true happiness into our own life. Hi, welcome to INWARD with Silvia. This is a new series on mindfulness meditation, and today is the first episode that will meditate for self-love. So meditation is an inward journey to reconnect once again with our inner self, and it's through this journey that we'll be able to find the center of our life and to be a happier soul. And I thought self-love is probably the best thing to kickstart this series, because once we learn how to love ourselves, we will have that inner strength and wisdom to create the life experiences that we all want in our life. So are you ready to begin this journey with me? Just find a quiet spot, a comfortable cushion, and just settle yourself down. So you might want to sit in Sukhasana pose if you are not quite comfortable with lotus pose. So just stretch out both your legs and then just draw them in and have your feet tucked underneath your calves and thighs. So just make sure that there's a space between your pelvic area and your heels so that you don't make it too tight for yourself. So today everything is about gentleness, gentle loving kindness. So every movement, every posture, let's be as gentle as possible. And just make sure that you ease yourself into your cushion. Perhaps adjust your sit bones to allow your tailbone to sink in deeper into the cushion to anchor you. And if the knees are dangling in the air, just insert 2 pillows underneath to support the kneecap so that you will sit as firmly on the ground as possible, and lengthen yourself nice and tall. Make sure you're not slouching or just leaning against the wall. Just sit up straight, relax your shoulders, and if you want, you can just gently rotate your neck on the clockwise and anti-clockwise. Okay, ease and loosen yourself up. So no matter where you're coming from right now, just call your wandering mind to this present moment, to this present space as we begin the journey of self-love. Good, and to begin, let's do some breathing exercises to fully prepare our body and mind. I'd like you to take a deep breath in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth with a gentle sigh. Good. Just breathe in gently again through the nose and breathe out with a gentle sigh. Good. And now we are going to amplify this breathing exercise by using the movements of our shoulders and with a double breath. So we're going to breathe in 2 times, raising our shoulders, and we are going to breathe out through our mouth while releasing our shoulders. Right, allow yourself to just melt and soften down. Ready? Breathe in. Good. One more time. Breathe in. Great, awesome. And now we are going to open our chest up to allow more air, more love to come into ourselves. So just lift out your right hand, put it to the back, and your left hand grab onto the right wrist. So you're going to do it this way, using your left hand to grab the right wrist. Okay? So you'll see that this hand is being tucked in and the left hand is showing a triangle. And then slowly tilt your head towards the left shoulder. Feel the stretch here. Be as gentle as you can. Don't exert too much force. If you want, you can take a deep breath in through the nose. And as you breathe out through the nose gently, just further stretch the right neck. Good. And now we are going to change side. So move your left hand over and your right hand gripping onto the wrist of your left hand this way. Okay, so one hand is flat and the other is showing a triangle. Good, and now tilt your head and allow your ear to kiss the shoulder on your right. Feel the stretch on the left side of your neck. Be gentle. So take a deep breath in and breathe out gently and deepen your stretch on your left neck. Great, awesome. Okay, and just jiggle your shoulders a bit to loosen up. Great. And today we are going to meditate on 2 energy centers which governs our self-love. One is our solar plexus energy center that's located around our abdomen area, which is also the core of our body. A lot of us, if you go to gym or yoga, we want to train up our core strength. And it's not just a physical strength, but innate, it is also the energy of our self-worth, our self-recognition, and most importantly, self-love. And the second energy center that we are going to work on is our heart chakra that is located around our chest area. And heart chakra is all about having the capability to love unconditionally. So it's an energy of compassion, of forgiveness, and that is what we want to surround ourselves with. A lot of gentle kindness, not just towards everybody, but most importantly, to begin with our inner self. Now I'd like you to just place both your hands around your belly and create a diamond shape. Okay? So create a diamond shape around your solar plexus area. And as you close your eyes, I'd like you to focus your attention around your abdomen area, which is now embodied in the diamond. Take a deep breath in, and I'd like you to feel your belly expanding, rising up. Hold your breath for a second, and then as you breathe out, feel your belly sinking in. Feel your navel drawing into your spine at the same time as you breathe out. And now breathe in again to the count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So by now your belly is fully inflated. And as you breathe out, let's deflate the belly. 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's do this a couple of times. Breathe in through the belly. 1, 2, 3, 4. And allow the belly to collapse as you breathe out. 4, 3, 2, 1. One last time. Breathe in, rising. Good. And breathe out, falling. So this solar plexus energy center that you're holding on to contains all the self-worth. And how do you define your self-worth? Perhaps you've been working so many years, working really hard, but you have not once received a promotion or not even a word of thank you or recognition from your boss. And that killed your self-worth. And perhaps you've been loving someone all your life, sacrificing, giving as much of your time and love as possible. And one day, this person just turned around and said that, I didn't ask for that. And that hurtful word killed your self-worth one more time. And perhaps you just started on a project, a career, a business, and it failed. And that killed you one more time and take away your self-worth. So one by one, your self-worth starts to diminish and you start feeling so lost, so unloved. So the blame is not on all these things that had happened to you. The blame is on us allowing that to take away our self-worth, for allowing all these opinions, outside judgment to define who we really are and what we are really worth. So as you close your eyes one more time, I want you to focus on this diamond energy center. Invite the color gold into your inner body, your inner world through this diamond portal. Take a deep breath in and breathe in this power once again. And as you breathe out, I want you to let go of all those voices, opinions, and noises that used to define you. So take a deep breath in again. Breathe in love, joy, self-empowerment. And as you breathe out, let go of anything. And as you breathe out, let everything go that does not serve you at all. Only you are able to define your own self-worth, and that's because you are the master of your own life, your own body and mind, your own destiny. They are just part of your experience and your process to empower you to grow, to learn, and to accelerate, elevate in your life. They are not meant to happen to you to take away your self-worth and to make you feel unloved. So now just gently shift your hands upward to your chest. Connect your palms together and then open your fingers. Spread them open like a flower and then close it again. And now we are going to work on our heart chakra, which is the energy center for love, for compassion, for forgiveness. So I'd like you to take a deep breath in, breathe in love. And as you breathe out, I want you to open your palms, your fingers, and blossom like a flower, and send love as well to this universe. Because whatever we give out, we receive back. And as you open your palms like a blossoming flower, allow your love and compassion to go out to the world, to everyone in this universe, to everyone that has been part of your experiences and processes, helping you to rediscover yourself. Take a deep breath in, close your palms and fingers, and receive the love into you. Breathe out, open the flower, send out your love. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. You can even lift your elbows up slightly upwards as if bringing the flower higher up, giving it to the universe. And then as you breathe in, just draw your elbows inwards, close your palms and fingers to receive the love. One more time, breathe out, breathe in, breathe out. Breathe in, breathe out, and breathe in. Good. And just bow forward in your Anjali Mudra, sending gratitude to this moment of practice. Thank you, thank you. Great. So I hope you continue to practice self-love every single day, every single moment, because we are the master of our own life. We are accountable and responsible for our own happiness, not someone else or something else. So have a loving day, and I see you again in the next episode.